Mr. Mike, Jack, what has happened to you? You fear me. Why you don't come to me? Yeah, you know be close to me. Me, I don't forget anything. You say the many things to me. You think I'm not be here. I hear, but I don't care. The thing you thinking about me, it is not happening to me. That why you don't be close to me. If you see me, you fear me, you run away for them. Yeah, I will say the truth for you. The thing you say to the people, I know everything, but I don't care. I move my life to forward. I'm not be come back. What is happening? Before you come to me, too close to me, you think say I don't know you. I know you by secret. By what is happening to you, pretended to come to love me. You can't destroy my things. Wanna say the truth. Now why? You know be close to me, you fear me. It's still true. Jack, the wicked mind, no be try. I am a crazy, people don't know. I'm a crazy for everything. If you try me, I will not show the ability to you. Fucking guy. Who are you? Show me. I say, who are you? Tell me the truth. Now you fear me. You know be fear me. The time is come. They say, well, maybe you don't know. The things come. I will decide for the many things for you. It is war. I never forget.